Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth left its orbit around the Sun and drifted away from our solar system? This scenario seems like something out of a science fiction movie, but it raises many intriguing questions. How would life on our planet change? What fate would await humanity? In this narrative, we will explore the effects of this extraordinary scenario on Earth and life as we know it. If Earth began moving out of its orbit, the first thing to consider is the loss of sunlight and heat from the Sun. The Sun is the primary source of energy for Earth, and without it, temperatures would start to drop rapidly. As Earth moved farther from the Sun, temperatures would plummet catastrophically. Within weeks, oceans and rivers would freeze, and the Earth's surface would turn to ice. The entire planet would become an inhospitable, frozen wasteland. With Earth leaving the solar system, gravitational forces would change drastically. This could lead to shifts in Earth's shape and orbit, exacerbating environmental instability. Plants rely on sunlight for photosynthesis, a critical process for producing oxygen and food. Without sunlight, this process would cease entirely, resulting in the death of plants, the foundation of the food chain. Marine life would also be severely impacted by the freezing of oceans. Creatures living in deep-sea thermal vents might survive for a while, but most marine life would perish. Humans would face immense challenges in survival. Finding innovative ways to stay warm and produce food without sunlight would be crucial. Underground shelters and indoor farms supported by artificial lighting might become necessary, but these would be temporary solutions. As Earth continued its journey out of the solar system, humanity might need to search for a new planet within another solar system. This would require advanced technology for interstellar travel and finding a habitable environment. Developing new and sustainable energy sources would be vital, whether through harnessing nuclear power or other unknown technologies. Moving to another solar system could take centuries or even longer, meaning humanity would need to adapt to harsh conditions during this transitional period. Societies might change dramatically in response to these new conditions. Unprecedented global cooperation might emerge to ensure survival, or conflicts over limited resources could arise. Living in perpetual darkness and extreme cold could heavily impact mental health, making psychological and social support more critical than ever. Human culture might evolve, with new forms of art and literature reflecting this new age of darkness and cold, where tales of the search for light and warmth become central themes. Faced with immense challenges, humanity might experience a surge in scientific and technological innovations. New technologies could be developed for living in space, or even redirecting Earth's orbit toward a new sun. New resources in space, such as asteroids and comets, might be explored for energy generation or raw material extraction. Over time, humans might adapt to this new reality, making life in a harsh environment the new normal. In the end, the idea of Earth moving out of the solar system may seem fantastical, but it opens the door to many thought-provoking questions about our ability to adapt and innovate in the face of existential challenges.